Okay, this is the animal's eyes. These are the animal's eyes right here, the two eye sockets, and then of course the separation of the nose. There's one eye, you can barely see it, but right now we're going to make that eye shine bright. And there it is. Those are the eyes of the animal. Now, being that this one was offset to the side a little further, a little more work has to be done to try to pull out the information that's in there. You can see the general shape of it and about where the pupil would be at. Now, there's not enough data in there, and that's why you're seeing it like that. But you do see where the eye duct is, the tear duct would be. The one that shows up the best is this one. Now, each line is a level into the depth of his eye cavity. And you can see that the depth of his eye cavity, this part right here that you see in the middle, is the same depth as over here. But nonetheless, you can see that definitely that is an eyeball inside of that eye socket. Now, what's also cool is you can see the muscles on top of his which are his eyebrows. See that? Now, he looks like the muscles could be like in the shape of when an animal or where a human is concerned about something, their brow muscles will go down as if they're squinting. But you can see that it's not all flat. It's it's shaped different than ours. Nonetheless, you can see his eyes 100%. That right there is a Bigfoot's eye. Unquestioned, 100%. The first. And what's amazing about this is that the drone was about maybe 60 yards away, yet the 4K camera on that drone was able to pull this much data from a video frame. This is a video frame. This isn't a picture. Had it been a picture, would it have been better? I think it might have. It very well might have been. But nonetheless, from that 4K video, which apparently 4K is, it blows my mind that at about 60 yards away, 65, it would be able to pull this much data from that distance, that 4K camera. It would be able to pull up the general shape of your eyeballs and be able to tell where your pupil is, because you can see the pupil 100%. It's amazing to me.